Level 2, Charleston. Oh my God.
Peter Statius.
Yes. We did this stuff. Bop, bop, bop. We went into kickaways. Remember, you imagine you're going around every time and you catch each other. If you really want to go, I start here. Boom, hand follows through. And Stacia really goes for it. I shouldn't have to work too hard to toss it. Then we did a little sneaky way to get into hand-to-hand. So we had boop, bop, boop, bop. We had double kick, double rock step, single, single, bam, and bam, bam. If we want to get out of it, we had a similar thing. Double kick, double rock step, single, single, bam, and bam. Remember, a little point we made is that we wanted to make the connection on the hand-to-hand stretchy on the first kick, moving on the second. So we did this way, Stacia. So we go stretchy, release, stretchy, release. You can do it in place and turn. This makes it a little more clear that a connection comes from your body. So this way is fine too. Everyone did a lot better when they did this than we did. The big swing, rock step, single, single, back to it. And again, we go swing, rock step, single, single, back to it. And I think that was it.
That was it.